Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this gigabyte.com and this is search box to click, and after that you enter the model number which is you require the driver, and wait few seconds to complete. So now you can see you can extra motherboard showing, but click on exact B650M D3HP, then click on that. After you can see this new tab open, then click on support. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using any operating system Windows and 10 but installations process same, so you can see this video and install, you can install LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, and always try to download the latest. It is done, and just single click to open, and now you can see the exe. So double click to exe, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is installing. So as it is close automatically, which is installations, so no worry, this is done. After that restart your system. Okay, this is required driver.